I'm Andrew Olson, and I graduated from Doane College in May 2013 with a journalism and media degree. While at Doane, I gained experience in many positions inside a television station. I ran both the soundboard and the switcher, controlling CGs and stills and videos, clips. I also operated cameras inside the studio. I am most experienced as on-air talent. I spent time in front of the green screen giving weather forecasts on Doane Weekly. Look at the 4-day outlook. Tomorrow it's going to be 75 degrees, still nice weather, still warm, 45 into the night, 10% chance of precipitation. Then into Wednesday, we're looking at a 70% chance of precipitation with a low of 35. Moving on to Thursday and Friday, it's going to be a little windy. 54 is going to be the high, 33 the low. Friday, we're going to see some clouds move in, 45 the high, getting us ready for a weekend that's going to have some precipitation as well. Saturday, there's another 70% chance of rain, high of 52. And then Sunday, we're going to warm back up a little, getting us ready for next week, high of 61, low of 45. That does it for DCTV weather. Ty, back to you with some more news.
Thanks, Dan.
From time to time, I sat behind this news desk as lead anchor. Former Prime Minister of Britain, Margaret Thatcher, died of a stroke today at the age of 87. Thatcher was the first woman Prime Minister for Britain. She is most remembered for modernizing the industrial landscape of Britain. She was also very key in standing by the United States and President Ronald Reagan during the Cold War and helping the West defeat the Soviet Union. Current Prime Minister David Cameron says the country has lost a great leader, a great Prime Minister, and a great Britain. But most of my experience was in front of this monitor, reporting on sports. Doane Track and Field took part in another scored meet this weekend with the same results as usual, blowouts on each side. The women scored 209.5 points, beating second place Concordia by 65.5. The men scored 172 points, 18 points ahead of second place Concordia. Doane will hold a home meet this Friday and Saturday, and there are 3 weeks left until the conference meet. The Doane football team had its first spring game in years on Friday. DCTV's Jason Long was there to cover all the action and has the story. Aside from working on Doane Weekly, I co-hosted and produced my own sports show for a year.
Lose that.
Best Doane Sports Show. And with us, we got our guests, Sufyan Kimo and Paul Garcia. These guys are national qualifiers for the national meet in cross.
Now I want to talk about the weather. With your hair, did you wear like a stocking cap or anything, Suf? I mean, was the hair enough to keep you warm in that cold weather?
You making fun of my hair, but well, I wear both. How about that? Is that all right?
Your hair and a stocking cap?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Is
So
that
you
okay?
were quite warm.
Yeah, I'll make sure, I keep my heat in,
All right. That is a brief summary of what I did with my time at Doane College. You can look at the rest of my portfolio to see examples of a few videos I worked on while at Doane. I'm Andrew Olson. Thank you for your time.